Hello students, welcome to B.STAT classes. So here I'm solving this ISI B.STAT 2022 paper. So the question number 5, so for any positive integer n and I equal to 1 and 2, let a for in denote the number of divisors of n of the form 3k plus I, so including 1 and n. So define for any positive integer n, f of n is equal to f1n minus f2n. Okay, so to find the value of f5 to the power 2022 and f21 to the power 2022, right? So we have this f1n of the form three n plus 1 and f of 2n of the form 3n plus 2. Okay, so 5 to this 5 to the power 2022, it can be written in this form, that 5 of f of 5 to the power f1 5 to the power 2022 minus f2 5 to the power 202, right? So I have to find this value f1 and f2. So for f1, so if we write 5 is equivalent to 2 congruent to mod 3 and 5 square will be 4, so congruent 1 mod 3. So here you can find that 5 to the power, so, yes. So here we can write that 5 to the power 2k plus 1, it will be congruent to mod 3 and 5 to the power 2k will be congruent 1 mod 3. Okay, so now 2022 we have, so the divisors will be 1 5 5 to 5 square 5 cube, so it will go up to this 5 to the power 2022. So these are all the divisors. Okay, so if we calculate this f1 of 5 to the power 2022, so it will be, first of all 1 is there, so this 1 plus even powers of 5. So even powers of 5 will be, how many will be there? So it will be 1011 from 5 to 2022, so it will be 1012. So we have found this f1 of 5 to the power 2022. Now we have to find what is the f2 of 5 to the power 2022. So what it will be? Say it will be either the remainder 2, okay, this remainder 2, or of the form 3n plus 2. Okay, if and only if this 2 to the power, so since we have used this over n, so we can write it as 5 to the power 2n plus 1 and 5 to the power 2n. Okay, so this f2 will be either of this form of 2 or 3n plus 2, if and only if this 2n plus 1 is odd. right? This is the condition for f. So f2 will be here, the divisors will be this 5 cube. Okay, so all the, so here the last will be 2 to the power 2021. So this will be the divisors, the odd number of terms. So we will have this 1011 then. Now put the value of this in 1012 minus 1011 equal to 5. So this is our value for f, 5 to the power 2022. Now we have to find the another value, that is f of 21 to the power 22, 21 to the power 2022. So we have this f of 21 2022. Okay, so we can write it as f of 3 to the power 2022 multiplied by 7 to the power 2022, and we can also write it as f1 21 2022 minus f2 21 2022. Okay, so this you have. So f1 and f2 doesn't contain this 3, because if we do this it will be 0 congruent. Okay, mod 3. So for f1 and f2 we cannot include this 3, not possible. So from here you can see that f1 of n is 7, f1 of n is 7 to the power n is 1 congruent mod 3. There is 0 congruent mod 3, and so here f of 2n is 7 to the power n 2 congruent to mod 3, but we have this 7 is 1 congruent mod 3, so 7 to the power n will be 1 congruent mod 3, right? So this is not possible, that is f of 2 of n is not possible. So we can say that f of 2 21 to the power 2 2022 equal to 0. And now what we have, this the divisors of this 2022, if you write, so divisors will be 1 7 7 square 7 cube up to 7 to the power 2022. So total numbers, how many numbers will be there? So it comes out as 1 plus 2022, so that is 2023. So the answer will be for f of 21 to the power 20 2022, it will be 2023. Okay, the correct answer for this one is then 1, and for f 21 to the power 2022 is 20.